24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of triangle shape. Tell the children that today they will identify triangle shape. Start the lesson by singing the following shape song with children.
3 sides, 3 corners, 3 sides, 3 corners. Can you see? Can you see? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Birthday cap, watermelon, tent, pizza, ice cream.
Play a game with children. Ask them to copy you. Make a triangle with your hands and say, "It's a triangle." And ask the children to imitate what you have done. Identification of triangle shape. Draw a triangle on the board and say, "It's a triangle." Ask children to repeat after you. Encourage them to draw a triangle in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Draw different shapes, for example, circles, squares, triangles, etc. on the writing board and ask children to identify the triangle shapes. Reinforcement worksheet of triangle shape can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.